In the earlier video, we saw how can we protect different types of innovation and different ways of protecting them. We got introduced to patent, trademark, copyright, industrial design, trade secret, plant variety, and geographical indication. In this video, we'll look into the details of patent. Let us see what is a patent. First things first. Only product or a process can be protected by patents. A patent is an exclusive right granted to the inventor. In the return of this right, the inventor needs to teach detailed working of the invention and how to build the invention. This right is given to the inventor for a limited period of time of about 20 years. We'll have a separate video that would talk about period of protection. Now let us try to see what is the patent right. It is an exclusive right to exclude others from making, selling, using, offering for sale, or importing your invention. In other words, it is a contract or an arrangement between the government and an inventor so as to protect the rights of an inventor to exclude others to practice the invention, and in return, the invention would teach the art of making the invention. Now let us try to understand the requirements for patentability. Your invention needs to have novelty, inventive step, industrial applicability, and it must not fall in non-patentable subject matter. Now let us try to see what novelty means. Novelty means before filing a patent application for an invention, information about your invention must not be published anywhere, your invention must not be used anywhere, and your invention must not be displayed anywhere. Now let us go to the next requirement for patentability, that is inventive step. Inventive step means a feature of an invention must have technical advancement as compared to the previous knowledge, or it must have an economic significance, or both, and must be non-obvious to the person skilled in the art. Now let us try to understand who this person skilled in the art is. Person skilled in the art is one who has read each and every book, every document, and understood every teaching material available so far at that point in time in that particular subject. However, he lacks the ability to invent anything on his own. In other words, non-obvious to the person skilled in the art means the invention must add to the knowledge of science and technology. It must push the frontiers of the existing art. Now the next requirement for patentability is industrial applicability, which means it must have some use in the industry and can be made in an industry just like in a manufacturing unit. Now, what is the use of an invention if it cannot be produced in a factory, isn't it? The next requirement is the invention must not fall in non-patentable subject matter. We'll look into the details for this in the next video. Now let us recap what we saw in this video. A patent is an exclusive right given to the inventor, and in return, the inventor needs to teach the working and building his invention. Only a product or a process can be patented provided it is novel, must have an inventive step, must have an industrial applicability, and must not fall in non-patentable subject matter. Now in the next video, we'll see what are not inventions or what are not patent eligible subject matter. Thank you.